Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to add weather to your iPhone. So this is the weather here, weather. So click on weather, and then on weather click on the plus here. On plus you can write your favorite location which you want to be added. So I write London, validating city, London, England. So is added. And then if you want another second plus, another city or capital, Athens, capital of Greece, Athens, Greece, and is done. And for third location I will add favorite location, Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, and this edit it shows is 34 degrees in Rio de Janeiro, and you can add more by pressing the plus button. And for each location you can press the location itself, for example London, and it shows how many degrees in London, and also shows Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday each weather. And for today you can see 6 p.m. 7 p.m. and you can go like that from left to right to see all the times, weather hour by hours. And this is Athens. You can just do like that or go back and click Athens, or you can just go like that, London, Athens, and then other location, Rio de Janeiro, and click this one to go back to the weather, and then like that to go back to the main menu. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Please share, like, comment and subscribe, and any suggestions. Thank you. Bye.